Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tammy from Embellish the Story, and I have a little announcement that I'm doing a guest design project for Odulcina, and she sells beautiful digitals in her Etsy store. She has two Etsy shops. One is Odulcina, where she sells digital supplies and digitals. And then she has Odulcina Journals, where she sells beautiful journals she creates. And then she's on YouTube, and her name on YouTube is Odulcina Scrap Ann. And I was very honored that she is allowing me to do a design project with this beautiful set that I love. It's called the French Teacup Kit. And it's just all the things that, the kind of things I love to create with vintage and shabby and teacups. And you guys know I love tea. So I wanted to show you the kit, and the next couple of videos I'll be doing some things with the kit and making a little a cute little journal. So this is the Ephemera folder that comes with the kit, and it's got these 4 beautiful tags. Look at that sweet little girl. I love this photograph. These are some cards that come in the kit. Some journaling cards. I love this pop of color she puts in this kit. Here's some more little cards. This is a file folder, and I love the teacups that she scatters in here. Here is a page. It's really neat. It has coin envelopes and real pretty little stamps and tickets. Also, there's this large envelope and this large envelope, and then this design page. So that is in one little folder. Then there are the papers for the journal itself, the journal pages. Here's one. This heart is like, it's a very light lavender color. It's a light purple. And then these beautiful teacups and the beautiful lace doily. The papers are gorgeous. Really good page for journaling. Love this lace page. This is so pretty. And then these are her design papers. I love this. I think this is a receipt. It's written in French. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like a little teacup. This is a real pretty collage page. And then this large copy of that beautiful document. So that's what's in the kit, and I am so honored that Anne is letting me use her kit and feature it on my YouTube and do a little guest project for her. So I've already assembled the journal itself, and it's made out of 3 envelopes, and I will link the video in my description box where I found the inspiration for making this design of the journal. It has two small signatures. There's one between the first 2 envelopes and one between the last 2. So I just sewed the signatures in, and then I have already covered this with a little bit of lace, and I'll be decorating it. So this is the base of the journal. But I used her papers, and this is some paper I tea-dyed to add to it. I copied these on tea-dyed paper at first, but they already had this beautiful vintage color in the digital itself, and they came out darker than I wanted them to on my tea-dyed paper. So what I did was I just wet paper and then baked it and then ironed it. So it was white paper that had been baked and ironed, so it has a crunchy feel to it. And then I printed the digitals on that paper. So this is an envelope. I think I'm going to open this envelope up here and put something in there. Look at that, isn't that pretty? So there's a lot of journaling room in this journal. I love these teacups. So I will be decorating this journal, making the embellishments for it, which you know is my favorite thing to do. And that will be the next couple of videos, just creating the, putting the pockets and the ephemera and embellishments in this journal. So I hope you join me on this little journey as we play with this fun kit. This is Odulcina and Etsy and Odulcina Journals, and then her YouTube is Odulcina Scrap Ann. I'm convinced that she has superpowers and really doesn't sleep, because she does so many things. She does them so beautifully, and she does them so well. Honestly, I think she has superpowers. And this is the French Teacup Kit. And thank you, Anne, for letting me work with your beautiful kit. And thank you guys for watching me today. And always remember to embellish the story. See you soon.